This right here is an aircraft logbook. This essentially is this here. I need to make sure that these hours are calculated correct, these landings, these catapults, everything that these parts are here for, do the job for the pilots. We administratively make sure that everything is up to date and current. We keep these aircraft safe. Every I is dotted and every T is crossed. 2 engines, 2 propellers. This aircraft is very complicated. These blades each have an individual card. Everything that's installed is listed here. This aircraft getting launched off like a slingshot. So after so many times of doing that, this thing has to get removed and replaced. You are maintaining this. This is what the Navy does. We train, we fight, we get ready to get these pilots ready to do the mission. We have a very important part now.